Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a horned owl. So I've done a barn owl tutorial on this channel, but I haven't done a horned owl, so I'm really excited for this, guys. We're going to start by drawing his eyes. So we have these two curved lines, and then we're going to add another curved line, just like that. Try to make them about the same size if you can. Then we're going to draw the pupil. Draw the pupil. Alright, perfect. Now let's add this other circle here. Circle near the top of the pupil. And then we can color in the rest of the pupil here. So I like to trace around the edges and then color the middle. I don't know, I've always found that easier. But you can color it however you'd like. I would just make sure there aren't like any white spots or it isn't too scribbly. Try to make it nice and neat. Alright, awesome. We've got his little beak. It is so tiny because we want him to be adorable. So you can barely see it. Tiny little beak. Then we've got these little tufts up here. They look like little ears, huh? And they're kind of wiggly. So we've got the horns on our horned owl. And we're going to draw the top of his head here. We got a curved line that goes from tuft to tuft. And then from there, we're going to draw the inside of the ear and the side of the head. So line goes down, goes down, and then 1, 2, 3. So he's really fluffy, really feathery. We want to show that. Then we're going to draw this part. So it's almost like a heart. It curves in and goes out, doesn't fully connect. And we'll add some more feathers right here. Alright, let's move on to the body here. Feather, feather, down. That's going to be one of his wings here. I'm going to draw the other wing. Feather, 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 droop. Draw the other side of the wing. Boop. Droop. Droop. See, we can only see a little bit of that other wing here. And then we're going to add a little bit of detail. So here's some more feathers. We want to show some definition going on here. Boop, 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 boop. And then these little lines. Imagine like the little seeds in a strawberry. That's essentially what we're drawing here. And then we'll finish off the bottom of his body. That feather motion here. Ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. Then it connects. Then we have his little feet here. They're like talons. So they're pointy. We got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's his feet. Now guys, we just gotta draw his tail. Then we'll be coloring. So it goes down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's how you draw a horned owl. Alright, let's go ahead and color him. So I made mine tan colored and all different shades of brown, yellow for the eyes, yellow for the feet. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.